The chair. Action.
Flies! Bugs! Ah!
Ow!
Mommy! I fell!
Has this ever happened to you? Probably. But that's because you haven't tried the chair.
Oh, I love this chair, and I haven't even fallen out of it.
The chair seats two. And no matter what you do, it just doesn't seem to bouge.
Budge!
Fred,
You said it in French, you doorknob.
Was it in French?
Yeah, she said move in French. Bouge.
Okay, well, those French people, they'll know what I'm saying. Okay. It doesn't seem to move, which is perfect for the times where you accidentally do.
Oh, get that crow out of our cherry tree.
I'll go.
This is not part of the chair.
Just a part of the crow in
The chair bloopers part 2. Okay,
You'll see more of that later.
yeah. Let's try
It seems like spiders are very attracted to these chairs. But that's okay.
Legs off.
Because it's just gonna run away.
Just pull its legs off.
Batteries not needed or included. Comes in
I
brown.
just stepped in something. That was not very pleasant. Okay.
Get away from me, you stinking spider.
We really gotta redo that.
Yes.
Okay.
Please restart.
Ready? Okay.
No, I'm not even in
You
the
didn't
chair.
restart it though.
Go.
Restart it, please.
No, it's awesome. Go.
Oh, please.
Go.
Erica!
We need that was bloopers.
Erica.
We need
It was
real
bloopers.
ones.
Yes,
Erica.
this is real.
Okay. But I don't believe you.
Okay. Ready? And action.
The chair.
Bugs!
Mommy! I fell! Has this ever happened to you? Probably. Because that's because you haven't tried the chair.
Oh, I love this chair, and I haven't even fallen out of it.
The chair seats two. And no matter what you do, it just doesn't seem to move.
No batteries needed or included. Comes in brown.
Buy it before the price drops. It's only $50.
And it's perfect for those times where you just might doze off.
And for spiders. Cut!